Hello everyone, welcome to NEET Buddy. Today we are going to provide you with 15 MCQs from the topic that you're seeing on your screen. So the practice of these MCQs will give you confidence and you would be able to score better in the coming NEET exams. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. The innate tendency of offspring to resemble their parents is called as. Innate tendency of offsprings to resemble their parents is called as option A. Variation, option B. Heredity, option C. Inheritance or option D. Resemblance. The correct answer is option B, that is heredity. Question 2. The tendency of offsprings to differ from their parents is called as. Tendency of offsprings to differ from their parents is called as option A. Variation, option B. Heredity, option C. Inheritance or option D. Resemblance. The correct answer is option A. Variations. Question 3. Who is regarded as father of genetics? Option A. Bateson, option B. Morgan, option C. Mendel or option D. Watson. Who is regarded as father of genetics? The correct answer is option C. Mendel is regarded as the father of genetics. Question 4. Mendel's experimental material was Pisum sativum, Lathyrus odoratus, Oryza sativa, Mirabilis jalapa. Mendel's experimental material was. The correct answer is option A. Pisum sativum. And what's the common name of Pisum sativum? Right, garden peas. It was used by Mendel for his experiment. During his experiment, Mendel called genes by the term option A. Factors, option B. Traits, option C. Characters or option D. Qualities. What was the term that Mendel assigned to genes? The correct answer is option A. Factors. Question 6. Mendel's findings were rediscovered by option A. De Vries, option B. Correns, option C. Shekomark or option D. All of the above. Mendel's findings were rediscovered by. The correct answer is option D. All of these scientists rediscovered Mendel's work. Question 7. The physical expression or appearance of a character is called as morphology, genotype, phenotype or ecotype. Physical appearance of a character is called as. The correct answer is phenotype. So whether a pea plant is tall or a short, that's its phenotype. Question 8. Genotype is the genetic constitution of phenotype, trait expressed or expressed gene. Genotype is the. The correct answer is option B. It is the genetic constitution of the phenotype. So if a plant is tall, this tall is its phenotype. Now you can find that genotype either if it's a pure line, then capital T would be its genotype. If it is a heterozygous, then capital T small t would be its genotype. The phenotype for both these genotypes is tall, but the genotype is different even though the phenotype is same. Question 9. The alternate forms of gene is called as recessive character, dominant character, alleles or alternative genes. Alternate form of gene is called as. The correct answer is option C, alleles. Question 10. If the genotype consists of only one allele, it is called as option A, homozygous, option B, heterozygous, option C. Monoallelic, or option D, uniallelic. If the genotype consists of only one type of allele, it is called as. The correct answer is option A, homozygous. Question number 11. A colorblind man marries a woman with normal sight who has no history of color blindness in her family. What is the probability of the grandson being colorblind? 0.25, 0.5, 1, nil. We are talking about their grandson. The correct answer is option D, nil. Question number 12. The most popularly known blood grouping is the ABO grouping. It is named ABO and not ABC because O in it refers to overdominance of this type of gene for A and B types. One antibody only, either anti-A or anti-B, is found on RBC. No antigen A or B is found on RBC. Other antigen beside A and B is found on RBC. What is O of ABO blood group refers to? The correct answer is option C. There is no antigen A or no antigen B on RBC. That's why it's called as antigen O. Rather, there is no antigen. That's why the blood group is called as O. Question number 13. If a child is of O blood group and his father is of B blood group, the genotype of father is IO-IO, IA-IB, IO-IB, or IO-IA. Child is of O blood group and father is of B blood group. The genotype of father is. The correct answer is option C, IO-IB. Question number 14. In Antirrhinum, two plants with pink flowers were hybridized. The F1 plant produces red, pink and white flowers in proportion of 1 red, 2 pink and 1 white. What could be the genotype of the two plants used for hybridization? Red flower is determined by capital R, and white flowers are determined by small r. What could be the genotype of two plants used for hybridization? Capital R, capital R, small r, or none of these. The correct answer is option B, capital R, small r. Question number 15. A cross in which an organism showing a dominant phenotype is crossed with a recessive parent in order to know its genotype is called as back cross, test cross, dihybrid cross, or monohybrid cross. The correct answer is option B. It is called as test cross. So those are the MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of MCQs at this very place, this very time, from the next chapter of class 12th NCERT Biology. We are doing the daily biology MCQ test series over here, where we are providing you MCQs every day from one of the chapters of class 11th or class 12th NCERT Biology, so that you get a lot of practice before the coming NEET exam. So we'll see you tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.